Hey, Jason Brown here. Just wanting to hop on and go give a quick shout out, a quick testimonial to Amanda Ray, our seven-figure earner mentor and developer and owner of our platform, Successful Solution Method. Um, I can't say enough good things. Share as many with as many people as possible about the amazing benefits and the amazing growth I've seen and been able to be a part of since joining this opportunity. It's so much more beyond the $3,000 I've made in the 3 months I've been involved. It's so much more beyond the online presence that I've been able to grow and change since starting the program. The live trainings from Amanda are outstanding. We have them live, but then they're also always available in your back office to go watch and rewatch, which I always encourage people to do. There's so many different nuggets in there that you can take from rewatching those as well, that are missed oftentimes. So the Facebook group with the outstanding support, which you're probably possibly seeing this in. Our team is amazing and continues to grow, over 1,100 members already in just over 3 months. And then our success coaches, along with Amanda, always there to answer questions, always there to support you and encourage you. The team is always there to support and encourage you, and as well as answer questions in our chat. The level of engagement on my Facebook account has grown. My YouTube channel is growing, and I just couldn't be happier. So thanks so much, Amanda. Thanks so much for Successful Solution Method and for all that you do. Thanks for the team and our success coaches. And if you're on the fence or considering or looking, this is where you want to be. This is home, and this is the team that you've been looking for, and the opportunity to change things for yourself financially, for your time, and all the things that you've strived for. So reach out if you have any questions. SSM is the place to be. Appreciate you.